Alright everyone, this isn't the normal video that you're used to seeing, but I'm not gonna lie, I have not been very dialed. I don't know if it's because of my work just changing around, like switching training, just work stuff. I've been sick this past week and a half or two, but it's not been good. I don't have any updates for you guys. I haven't been doing anything. So, as a punishment and to lock back into monk mode, we're going bald. Yep. I'm not even gonna lie. I've been gaming. I opened my website probably once since the last update. I don't know what's up, but we locking back in. I've been smoking. It's just not been good. So we doing it car radio style today. You can't be not locked in with a bald head, so this will fix all of our problems. But hopefully I have something better to report to you guys next week on a real note. But you know I'm not here to just lie to you guys, because what's the fun in that? I gotta keep myself accountable and show you guys the real life version of how it is, man. It just be like that. Sometimes you're not as dialed as you want to be. Sometimes you're not as dialed as what you portray on social media. But I try to keep it $150 because this is the real life version of me on a weekly level. So we balled. We balled. Not bald. We got a buzz cut. But yeah, I have absolutely nothing to report to you guys. If you watched last video, you're completely caught up, sadly. A week goes by so fast. Unbelievably fast. Like, I feel like I've been undialed like a lifetime, but it's only been a week, so that's the good news. Or it's been like 2 weeks realistically. Last week I did a little bit, but not as much as I wanted to have, but I still had something to report on. Like, I have absolutely nothing to tell you guys. I have not done anything since last week, which I don't like. That's just crazy. But if you watched last week, I was still not doing shit. I just did like a little bit here every single day, but that's still way better than what I'm doing now. But next week, we gonna have something to report on, and yeah, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. Keeping it real with you guys. But yeah, I'm bald. This is a consequence of my own actions. See you guys in the next video. If you like this video, you'll probably like this one too. Peace.